preparing a place just for you. You have to begin. Just open your arms and just go on, receive. Take all the things and just